In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on keyboard light on Lenovo laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, almost all Lenovo laptops use the exact same physical key combination to cycle through backlight brightness levels. So what you're going to do is locate the FN key in the bottom left corner of your keyboard, then locate your spacebar. Look closely at the left side of the spacebar, and if your laptop supports a backlight, you're going to see a small icon that looks like a light bulb emitting rays. So press and hold the FN key, then tap the spacebar once. And how it works is each time you press FN and spacebar, the keyboard cycles through three distinct states: low brightness, high brightness, and off. And on a few specific or older Lenovo models, the light icon might be located on the escape key instead. So if it's on escape, press FN and escape to turn it on. You can also force the light on using Lenovo's Vantage software. So once you go over to it, look for the keyboard backlight section canvas and manually click on low or high to change it there too. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.